Oh yes.
इसके पास काम ही काम है, मेरे पास बहुत चीज़ें हैं so which keeps me busy, so yeah.
It's a complete honor and of course a surprise that I'm going to receive this award from the love of my life. Thank you so very much because he's the wind beneath my wings. Thank you so very much. Thank you, Shashi ji. Thank you, Anu ma'am, for this recognition. Wow, that was a surprise. Well, as a feminist who believes in gender equality, I want to dedicate this award tonight to the third gender of our society. Hence, thank you. Thank you. Hence, freeing not only the women but men from the prescribed gender stereotypes. So we all are unique. Let's celebrate our uniqueness and embrace others with their uniqueness. It's a complete honor and of course a surprise that I'm going to receive this award from the love of my life. Thank you so very much because he's the wind beneath my wings. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
It's my honor. She's beautiful, she's caring, she's super talented, she works hard, she knows how to balance professional and personal life, and she cooks amazing food. The only time she's helpless is when her nail paint is drying. Otherwise, she's a force to reckon with.
विमेन अचीवर इन इंडियन टेलीविज़न और ये अवार्ड दिया गया है मेरी कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स इंडियन टेलीविज़न और ऑफ कोर्स विद अ कॉज बिकॉज आई एम currently doing a project which supports the equality of the third gender and I'm playing a character of an intersex. So as an artist I have voluntarily took up this responsibility of talking, promoting and educating the society about the gender equality, and I feel proud to be a part of this moment and even more honored and proud because this award of course is given by him who is the man of my life and is the wind beneath my wings. So had it not been his encouragement I wouldn't have ever taken the risk of playing an intersex on television. But today, yes, I say it with utmost faith and pride that believing in him was the best thing that I ever did. Oh yes.
इसके पास काम ही काम है, मेरे पास बहुत चीज़ें हैं so which keeps me busy, so yeah.
उसकी वेब सीरीज का ट्रेलर कैसा लगा आपको? लव स्लीप रिपीट आपने देखा होगा?
Oh yes, I did see it और काफ़ी entertaining and colorful लग रहा है and we are hoping that it does really well.
Especially the name Love, Sleep, Repeat. She sleeps a lot, repeats a lot.
And I love a lot.
And I love a lot.
I love a lot. So yeah, it's pretty relatable. So yeah.
Okay, ma'am, Shakti also doing very well. 6-7 बजे के टाइमिंग में भी अच्छा
8 बजे के टाइम पर हाँ सोमवार से शुक्रवार और कलर्स पर लेट्स बी प्रिसाइज यस
काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा है, रेटिंग
Thank
अच्छी आ
you.
रही है। उसको लेके आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे मतलब?
I always believe it's easy to be successful, it's difficult to be consistent, and I'm really grateful, of course, by the grace of God, that we are really being consistent, and it requires a lot of great team effort, जो हमारी पूरी टीम करती है, and it requires a great support system which I have, and I am doing well just because of that.
मतलब सर के सपोर्ट की वजह से ही मतलब आप इतना hard
Yes,
work
yes,
कर
yes.
लेते हैं।
हाँ, सुबह उठ
Yes.
के मैं खाना बनाता हूँ then I
Oh,
call
yes.
the lift.
Yes, he's being honest, huh? There is no sarcasm behind it.
Actually it's the other way, she makes food.
ओके, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल आपकी जो केमिस्ट्री निकल के आ रही है, तो इनका क्या राज है? मतलब आप लोग मतलब इतने
वो
अच्छे
केमिस्ट्री अच्छी है
One
इसीलिए
in the
तो
North
साथ
Pole, one in the
में
South Pole, so you know.
yeah. Opposite attracts.
We
Yeah.
learned it in physics. So yeah.
ओके, इन दिनों बिग बॉस काफी धमाल मचा रहा है, कोई बिग बॉस आप देख रहे हैं? कोई आपने
मैंने कभी नहीं देखा.
नहीं
आज
कभी
तक
नहीं देखा?
पहला एपिसोड देखा था आपने?
Yes, yes, yes.
आउट हो चुकी है बस एक episode
Oh,
नहीं
sorry, no updates. No updates, sorry.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
बाहर
Thank
आते
you.
रहिए
Henry, wow, पहुंच गए आप. Very good, very good, very good. Come, 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 come. Visual.
मैंने बता दिया
We've done this now. करें? अच्छा ठीक. Oh, the list is pretty long, पर दो शब्दों में love and prosperity, and which is very essential for two people who come together to spend their rest of life. So. ये तो मेरे लिए भी सरप्राइज था स्लैश शॉक था. आई हैव टू गो एंड सी हर बट yes, I think for me I picked up the color because it has that warmth of winters and I wanted to add some fur to it, so hence the cocktail dress. It is the happiest day of any girl, trust me. I mean, I can absolutely relate to that joy and happiness and the gratitude she has right now, and of course it reflects from within, and she's looking so beautiful and so amazing that I wish this glow remains forever with her. Oh yes, I was looking forward for it. बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. Exactly 15th of January I stepped out of the show and एक महीना हो गया है. Went into hibernation for 15-20 days and it is so good to see everybody back. I'm so happy. Thank you. ये शिमला का घी दूध अभी आया है, सब बाहर आ रहा है. Oh yes, I mean it's great to go back to the roots. So the small village up 150 kilometers in Shimla from where I belong, Chopal, that is the main source of my energy, and I always revisit my village whenever I get time.